Hello friends, this is Sai Fanindra from SQL School, assuring you complete practice-oriented classes from the very basics. We are into data analyst. Let me give you few words. In this short video, let's understand few words about what is data analyst, what we do at our job desk. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. We assure you complete practice oriented classes right from the basics. I am the trainer. I will be the only trainer from our SQL school for data analytics course, for Power BI, Excel, Python analytics, and SQL. I assure you complete practice orientation from the scratch. As a data analyst, our main job role, we are responsible for reading, extracting various formats of data, file, web, database, any type of data, every type of data, and analyze it, understand it, design the reports, get trends, clear trends of existing data, store and share the reports. What a report means, how it looks like. Yes, to get some idea, a report, something like this. These are the reports we are going to generate in our initial classes. E-commerce, financial and customer analysis, healthcare, Medicare activities. So we are going to start with SQL Server queries first, the basics, the basement from scratch. We invest 3 lovely weeks, Monday to Friday, weekly 5 days, daily 1 hour class. And in that 1 hour we need to do good amount of examples, sometimes 50, sometimes 60, sometimes 20, 10, 15, etc. Trust me, yes, you are right, you heard it right. Few examples, few chapters will do more than 35 to 40, 50 examples like this. It's very simple and straight. For example, 36 queries followed by some task items. So every class, every notes, every chapter has assignments. Every chapter has assignments. We'll start with yellow box number 1. Then step into Power BI and or Python analytics as per your resume plan. Good to have all three combo pack for a meaningful resume and end-to-end integrations. Before we step into SQL, what is database first? A platform to store any type of data, any amount of data, no exceptions, right from our WhatsApp QR code to our laptop barcode, anything, everything we can do using database. Any kind of data we can store using database. To touch database, to operate on database, we need SQL, structured query language. You are a data analyst or a developer or an engineer, data science, anyone, everyone, we need SQL. So what we learn in our yellow box from scratch? We'll start with something called DDL, DML basics to joins, normal forms, data types, functions, etc. From there you step into Power BI. There are 6 design tools in Power BI plus 2 technologies called Power Query and DAX plus 2 hosting services, cloud and report server. Total there are 10 components we need to learn. 6 design tools, 2 technologies and to hosting environments. Complete ecosystem we need to understand practically with examples. And Python analytics right from the scratch, right from the basics, inclined towards data analysis. We are not into programming. We'll start from the scratch, basics of Python, and then slowly step into data handling, data analytics, visualizations, Python integration with Power BI. Those two are good friends. We'll understand the importance of their friendship with examples in our classes. Any questions or clarifications, you may contact me on my number, preferably on WhatsApp or on my LinkedIn. I will be the caretaker. I would be the trainer for this data analyst course. You may also speak to our team for your free demo. You may book your free demo and we can interact over there in the live class as well. I need to answer all your questions, clarifications. Get them before we happily start. So where we need to start? Database. You're already aware of database concepts, preferably SQL Server. You can directly step into Power BI and or Python analytics. So you may choose one of these vertical paths. Core Power BI to become a data analyst. Microsoft has a separate certification, PL 300 for Power BI. For data analyst, I'll just take it this way. Here it is. PL 300. What is that again? PL 300. It is for Power BI data analyst certification from Microsoft. Complete guidance part of our course. Or SQL plus Power BI. If you are new to SQL, better to start with one SQL, TSQL queries. Then add Python if you are into experience profile. 1, 2, and 3. 2 would be your primary skill set. Or alternative 1, 3, and 2. 3 would be your primary skill set. Choose any one as your primary skill set. Showcase more in your resume with a nice project, step by step activities. Yes, in our classes, we'll be doing good amount of examples from scratch. Our SQL concepts, about 12 chapters we need to learn step by step with right from the basics, concept wise FAQs, good amount of examples, task items, scenarios, extra items for those attendees who are responding more really. And after SQL comes Power BI, a 4 weeks journey, Monday to Friday, 18 chapters with a project work. Complete project solution part of our course. If your interviewer asks you what you did in the project, what are the challenges you faced in the project, we should have a straightforward, direct eye contact answer, right? And then we have, yes, health and learning, no compromise, no shortcuts, because they will be with us, right? Knowledge and health. Yes, those are very important for us. No shortcuts, no compromise. You learn from YouTube. You learn from other online sources. 499 offers, 799 offer, 999 offers. Yes, you do it. Then come to us. You will see the actual difference. You will understand the main flow of information. Very, very straightforward. More meaningful. We'll do it in a careful way. Yes, we'll start from the scratch. We'll do in a basic, right from the basic to advanced level. Nice activities we'll do. I'll make you enjoy the things step by step in a nice, properly formatted examples, meaningful examples. That part I'll take care. On time practice, you take care. And SQL 3 weeks, Power BI 4 weeks, Python analytics another 4 weeks. complete detailed curriculum available on our website. Request you to download it, go through it carefully. Do let me know for doubts, clarifications on WhatsApp or call, preferably WhatsApp. Either live or on demand videos, same curriculum, same concept. You may choose any one or switch in between. You join live, after few classes, you may not continue live for some reason. Yes, you go for video, or vice versa for the remaining classes, remaining course on prior intimation. Same curriculum, same content, same examples, and same task items. I assure you once again, complete practice orientation, and myself, Sai Fanindra, I will be the caretaker for these courses that you see on our website or on the screen. We do have other courses like Snowflake, Python programming, and Salesforce, etc. We have other trainers for them. Those are not my piece of cake actually. I never worked on them. It's not my piece of cake. I never worked on them. You ask me some question, I should be able to answer you straight to the point on spot, right? That's important. Yes, let's have complete grip and control on what we learn and what we need to do at our job desk. Thank you so much, everyone, for listening to me, bearing me for last 10 minutes, and assure you once again the complete practice orientation from scratch. See you soon in our live demo class or hear from you on WhatsApp. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you once again. Take care. Bye bye.